Asian markets off to mixed start in tin trade. The next year got off to a mixed start on Monday in holiday-themed Asian trade, following a healthy run-up at the end of last week, with some clear provided by data suggesting regional economies improved last month. However, investor remains shackled by concern about a range of issues including the fast-spreading Omicron variant, inflation, the removal of central bank stimulus, and geopolitical tension. Well, the last few months of 2021 were marked by uncertainty on trading floors. Global stocks enjoyed blockbuster rallies in 2021 as economies reopened and lives in most countries returned to some semblance of normal, following optimism that the recovery would stay on track. And data showing factory activity picked up last month across the region, including South Korea, Taiwan, Malaysia, and the Philippines, provided a little optimism to start the year. The readings come after China posted a better than forecast figure on Friday thanks to a dip in commodity prices. Singapore enjoyed healthy gains thanks to news that the city-state's economy expanded 7.2% last year, having suffered in 2021 its worst performance since independence. Seoul, Taipei, and Jakarta also rose stock Manila tipped. Jun Rong-yeop of IG Asia said, while the rising Omicron spreads may warrant to a cautious approach towards reopening, some expectation might be that improved vaccination will aid to limit the eventual economic impact. Hong Kong reversed early gains with tech firm acting as a major drag, while sentiment was also hurt by news that trading in embattled developer China Evergrande had been suspended and providing a reminding of the crisis in China's fast property sector. Tokyo, Shanghai, Sydney, Wellington, and Bangkok were closed for holidays, while prices ended up slightly as ACE turned to the latest meeting of OPEC and other major producers on the Tuesday, where they will discuss plans to lift output of lighting in impact of Omicron, which has forced some governments to impose lockdowns and airlines to cancel flights. The commodity was getting some support from a drop in Libyan output as workers tried to fix a pipeline after a militia closed down the country's biggest oil field. I think OPEC Plus decision is a foregone conclusion, and Omicron news and data will remain the major influences on oil sentiment. Fadana Hari of Fadana Insight. We're likely seeing some bargain hunting Monday after a rush to sell at the end of the last week. This article was published in the jakartapost.com with the title Asian Markets Off to Mixed Start in Tin Trade.